Welcome back to this clown's garage. In this video, I'll show you quickly how to check for a leak in your AC system. You go to AutoZone, no plug there. This is a free rental tool from there. So you get this and you need an air compressor. You fill up the system with air, compressed air. Only do this when there's no freon in the system, so you won't hurt anything. Also, this won't work usually for an evaporator because that's buried inside the car usually, and for a compressor shaft seal this probably won't work. But this is worth a shot if you have no freon and you want to see if you could find a leak anywhere externally. Alright, so the low pressure side, this is a 2007 Impala. So the low pressure side is over here. It's usually the bigger tube, and the high pressure side is over here. It's usually the smaller tube. And in case you don't know, this pulls up and then it grabs onto it. You just push down on it. Hold on. Just like that. And then you screw this clockwise to push the shredder valve down. Now these are both clockwise, they're both closed. What we're going to do, we're going to introduce compressed air through here and open the low side and then just shut it off. And you could put in over 150, even close to 300, doesn't matter. But I wouldn't go past 300. Alright, I'm going to use a rubber tip nozzle here from the air compressor. Open this up. So you get the idea. I have about 65 psi on the low side, and the high side's about 70-ish or so. So that should be good enough for what we're doing. You can also get higher, but we'll stick with that for now. Next thing I did was I got some bubble solution. I think this was $2, and I put it in a sprayer bottle and go ahead and spray everything down. Alright, so I'm just going to go around here, spray everything down, where the welds meet, all the connections. I'm going to take this off and spray where the Schrader valve is, because that usually leaks sometimes. I'm going to do both on the low and high side and go all the way around, spraying the compressor, spraying all the hoses, the condenser. Over there by the evaporator is the expansion valve. I'm going to spray that down. So we went ahead and there's a lower plastic dam underneath here that covers the condenser. What you want to do is you want to get full access to the whole condenser, because there could be a leak anywhere in this condenser. I'm going to go ahead and spray down the whole thing, the sides, all the fins, everything. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And there it is, folks. In about a minute of soaking this condenser up, this popped up. So there's a leak right there. So normally if you have air in the system, you have to change the receiver dryer. In this case, because it gets saturated with water. So in this case, the receiver dryer is part of the condenser. So we're kind of lucky. We have to change the condenser anyway, and it's part of it. So we have to do a separate step to change the receiver dryer in this car. But you have to change the receiver dryer as well if you have air in the system. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like me, and share me. See ya!